So we're here at the bottom platform. You can see it's extended platform, same issues, pretty much typical. We've got a repair here. Let's make sure that that's a little suspect. So what happens is you come down this stair. You can see very similar condition. So this drops down to this roof below, and then we pick up this ladder to exit to egress out. So pre-existing non-conforming condition, so I don't know if a catwalk is needed, but there's nothing that guides you out of this platform, or out of this stair to this stair here. And this stair is, showing a lot of rust. It's just a little low stair, but it should be painted, cleaned up, and then it goes out. We do have some obstructions that go out here, but I want to make sure that that's all okay and that we don't need a catwalk that's going to lead you out here. So some of these obstructions need to go, but you can see all up here.